Hello, my name is Hello Elementor from WordPress Tutorials. Today I'll show you how to build a complete online store using WordPress and WooCommerce, even if you do not have any knowledge about web development and programming. The theme, plugin and other extensions used in this video are completely free and you do not have to pay anything except the hosting and domain, which is a necessary thing when you build your website. Domain is a unique name for your website, for example youtube.com, facebook.com, or if you are building a blog site, then your domain may be yourblog.com or yourshop.com, anything you want. I'll also show you the best option for buying the hosting. Now let me show you how will your website look like after you watching this video, so you can decide whether you need it or not. Right now you are looking at the home page. So this is the shop page for men's t-shirt, and it's a hero section or the banner section. The menu will look like this. You can also see your shopping cart, which have no products yet. So this is the top bar menu, your logo, your hero section, then some featured categories like men's shirts, short sleeves or custom printed shirts, then a slider of our partners, then some categories. These are the product grades, featured products, then recent products and sale products. After that, some boxes showing some features of your website, then the news or blog if you want to include the blog on your website, and finally the footer. This will be 4 parts where contact info, some menus, the quick links and for customers, and some basic information about your website. So this is the home page of your website, and let me show you how the shop page will look like. If you click on shop, then you can see all your products listed here, and there are some filters here. You can search products. For example, let me search long sleeve keyword, long sleeve, press enter. Then it will only show you those products which are including this keyword long sleeve, even in the description. For example, this one, each product have long sleeve in their title or description. Okay, now the next thing is filtered by price. So price range is automatic, depends on your website's highest price and lowest price. So if you scroll down the filters to 20, 0 to 20, then these 2 products will be disappeared. Click on filter. Only those products which are less than 20 will be appeared. So here is another thing, the black and white. There are some attributes. For example, this shirt have 2 variations, black and white. I'll tell you about the variation and how they work, but let's just checking. If you click on black, then only those shirts, only one shirt is available for black. When you click on this filter, then all these other will be disappeared and only this will be shown, like this one, because this have 2 colors. If we open the single page, then you can see there are 2 colors available. If you click on white and choose size and then black, then this one is black and this one is white. These are 2 variations. Okay, similarly these are the best selling products in the sidebar and some categories. Okay, now about the blog page, which is news page also. The blog page will look something like this, and also you can notice that the menu is sticky. When you scroll down, the menu do not move. It appears even if you are at the bottom of the page. So I'll also show you how to make this sticky. Now if we buy some products, if we add to cart some products, then this is the shopping cart. For example, let me add this product to the shopping cart. Let me add it, the small and white color, add to cart. Then you can see that there will be added one product here, which is showing the number, and if you hover on this icon, you can see directly your cart here. You can click on here to go to your cart directly. Let me click here, or you can go to checkout directly, or you can directly go to PayPal, or whatever payment option you selected. Okay, click on view cart, and this will be the cart page. Here are the products. You can update the cart, or if you have a coupon, for example, this shirt is for $6, but I made a coupon by the name of my holiday season, and when we click on apply coupon, then a 10% discount will be added on this product, which can be seen in the total of this cart page. Here coupon is 10%, which is minus $1, and shipping is $30. Because it is shipping to India, that is why the shipping is high. If I chose my address to Pakistan or any other country which I decided to charge less for the shipping, then it will be less. Okay, now the checkout page. Click on proceed to checkout. Now here if we change the country, then you can see that the shipping rate will be decreased. If we choose Pakistan, then it will automatically be $2 only. Now add your name, your company, street address, city, state, phone number, zip code, email address, and some notes if you want. Now you have a total of $8. The GST will be $1. The coupon is $1 minus 1, and here you have some options for payment. I chose check payments, cash on delivery. You can choose any of them from your dashboard. Check payment will be from bank. If your country supports bank account check payments, then you can integrate their API. Cash on delivery means when a package arrives to the customer, they can pay right from their door to the courier service, and you will collect the payment and then complete the order. PayPal, it's a global payment gateway, and you can integrate PayPal easily. Stripe can accept any type of cards, MasterCard, Visa card, even Apple Pay. So this is also a common method, but Stripe is very rare in some countries. It is not available, but for India it's available. Okay, Alipay and Stripe checkout, which is directly deducted from the Stripe account, not from the debit card. Okay, I'll choose cash on delivery for now to place this order. Once a customer places its order, then you can see the order information from your dashboard. Customer will be notified that his order is done. Now when we log into our dashboard, then we can see which customer or how many orders we received by clicking on WooCommerce and orders page. Now on the orders page, you can see there are 3 orders. One is $8, 173, and 137. Okay, now all of these 3 are in processing because you didn't check them. Some of them will say pending payment, or something will say payment done, but it will be always in processing. Once you open a product and an order, then you can change the status. So it's a confirmed order, and the method the person used is cash on delivery. So once you see this order, you can ship this product to the customer, and you can also see the customer applied that holiday season coupon. So you can change the status from processing to completed once you deliver it, or if you want to receive the customer the product and then he will pay, then after that you can make this order as completed and then click on update. So the customer will also be notified through email or phone number that the order has been now completed. Now come to front end. There are also some other pages like about us, contact us. I'll also show you how to build them. In this tutorial I'm using free Elementor version. You can also use Elementor Pro, but you can use Elementor free if you want, if you do not have the budget for that. So it's the website is completely free, only the hosting must be purchased. Now the next thing is your domain and hosting. For that, open a new tab and type WordPressPioneers.com. The link is also in the description. Press enter. On the home page, scroll down, and in the sidebar you can see that get your own address on the internet. For example, I am building a site for online shop, then my online shop, and then I will choose the .com, .co, org or anything. So I'm choosing it shop. Let me select the store, then click on check availability, and it will tell me that the domain is already taken. So let me choose a unique name for now. For example, my Jahangira shop, which is my village name. Click on check availability, and it says it's available. Click on next. Now on this page you can log in to your Gmail, and it will be easy without filling this form. So after filling this form and choosing your package information, if you want to buy this for only 1 year, then you can choose this option. But for this you can also use 36 months. Okay, now domain will be free. The first domain that is this domain will be free. Now choose these options. Just uncheck these options because do not want site lock, single domain privacy. But do remember to use SSL. Let's encrypt with SSL. It's already free and it's included in this price. So the total will be $35, and then you can add your card information and then proceed to checkout. Now I'll show you how to install WordPress on your Bluehost account. Okay, now on Bluehost, when you are logged into your account, now here is the website, the domain you just purchased. So click on marketplace from your Bluehost account, and then click on add website. Now simply type in the site title, for example shout user demo, and be your own boss is your tagline. Click on next. This site name will be shown on your website and tagline. So now you will choose the domain you want to install it. So choose the domain we just purchased, and it also offers some plugin pre-built WP forms and opt-in monsters. So we do not need them. Let's check them out. Leave the directory empty, and then it will start installing the WordPress. Now after installing WordPress, it will give you the credentials, which is WP admin URL and the username and the password. Once you are logged into your WordPress dashboard, then you can start building your own website. Okay, the website is ready. Now we will open the admin dashboard, which is your domain / WP admin, and here is the username and password. I'm hiding them so because it's some private. So this will be the dashboard, which is look like something like this. All the website will not look something like this because this is only the Bluehost option, which is because of the Bluehost plugins and the WordPress dashboard. So after this we will start building our website. Okay, now we landed on the WordPress dashboard. So let's open the website front end. This is how the website looks like right now. in the start of video I showed you the website, the demo. So we will convert this website into that demo. First of all, let me explain some basic things about WordPress Dashboard. This is the most important area where you can customize your website, add your contents, edit your contents. You can upload images, you can manage forms, like if you want to people to submit their queries and you will receive emails about them, then all these things will be manageable by this dashboard. So in this sidebar you have some options like these posts. If you come to post, then there is all manageable posts like news or blogs. In this section you can manage blogs. If you click on all posts, then there is a demo post by the name of Hello World. So we can remove this Hello World post into trash because we do not need this. This is a sample. Now we can remove this from trash permanently. The trash is for that purpose. If you deleted something accidentally, then you can recover it from the trash. Okay, this is how you can add posts. Click on add new, and these are the categories. For example, if you have a news website and you have different type of categories, for example international news, national news, city news or technology news, then these are the categories. Now the next thing is media. For the post you can add some pictures as featured images or as thumbnails. So all that media goes in this section. If you click on media library, then you can find all your images here. You can upload a new media by clicking add new, click on select file and upload any file, any picture to your site, and this will be available in your website and you can use it with post, pages or any other post type. Okay, now this section is called pages. In this section you can add different types of pages like contact us, about us, the home page or any other WooCommerce or shop related pages. In shop we have some default pages like shop, my account, cart, checkout or orders page. So all these pages goes in this section. You can delete the sample page because we do not need this. Privacy policy can be changed. You can change content later. Come to trash and delete the pages permanently. Okay, the comment section is that section where on any post, if people come and they leave their comment, then in this section you can see all those comments. You can approve them, you can remove them, you can spam them, or you can trash them. So this is the comment section management table or management page. The next section in WordPress dashboard is appearance. In appearance, first thing is themes. So let me tell you what is theme. Right now you can see that your website is like this. If we change the theme, for example from 2021 to 2019 or 2020, then let me show you. On front end the design completely changes. If we change it to 2019, then it will again change to something new. So this is a design of the complete website. Entire website will depend on this theme. Okay, next thing is customize. Customize is something that all the CSS styling or placement of things are manageable by customize. Like you can change the size of your logo. For example, here is your logo, then you can change the size of the logo. You can increase or decrease size of menu. You can change colors of the website, or you can apply custom CSS. So this is for that. Let me remove all other themes. Let's leave just one theme because we will keep the website as minimal as possible. Okay, we have only one theme now. Next option is widgets. Widgets are the areas where some parts of website are shown. For example, if you are opening a website, let me open a website and open a page, a product or category. Then you can see here is a sidebar section and this is the main section. So here some thing are added. For example, this search, this filter, this product best selling. So these are the widgets, and this is called sidebar. So this widget is managing all these sidebars and all these widgets contents. Like in the 2021 theme, we have just one sidebar which is called footer, and here are the widgets which we can add one by one here, and that will be displayed in the footer. Like here is the footer, this one, and we have search, archives, recent posts. So here are the search, recent post, archives, all these things. So this is the widgets area. Now come to menu. Menu is the most important part of a website for navigation. For example, if I open a shop website, then you can see that there is a menu. This is a main menu, this is the top bar menu, and we have two more menus in the footer. So we can navigate across all the website like home page, shop page, blog page, about us, or any other page. These menus can be manageable by this page or this section. Now these two things are not so important, so come to plugins. Now plugin is a thing that adds a functionality or an extra feature to an existing website. For example, currently my website is just like a plain website, and we can add just the contents, only text or images to this site. But if you want to add the shop functionality, like you are adding products for clothing or t-shirts, then we will add functionality for the shop. So for that purpose, a plugin called WooCommerce will be installed in this site, and we can add products, we can add payment gateways, we can add shop pages to the site easily. So that is called a plugin. There are several types of plugins. Some plugins can add just the design, or some plugins are adding for color changing or size changing, or we can manage logos. There are a lot of features, like we can add social sharing buttons. So if we add that plugin, so social sharing plugin, then we will have social sharing buttons on blogs and pages. So this is the section where we can manage, we can activate, deactivate, or delete plugins from this section. If we click on add new, then we have a lot of library available by WordPress for free plugins. For example, if we search for WooCommerce here, then you will find the WooCommerce plugin, and you can install it and use it. The next part is users. Now users are the like administrator of the website, or your customers or your subscribers. Users can be anything. You can add a user type. For example, if you have a video website, then user can be your uploader or your viewer. There would be two types of users who can upload videos and who can view their videos. And if you are building an online shop, then there will be two types of users, or many types of users, but main two types of users will be there. One will be buyer and one will be seller. And similarly, some users will be managers or shop managers, such as administrators. So this part is users, and you can manage users from this section. Okay, tools. There are some tools. I'll tell about them gradually when we build the site. And the settings. In settings, if we come to general settings, then there are some general settings which we done by the time of creating the site. When we built this site, we had our title, we have our tagline, and your WordPress address will be typed here. If you have an SSL certificate, then you can add S to this HTTP, or if you do not have an SSL, then without S. Similarly, your email address, your membership, anyone can register. If you tick this section, then the registration form for user will be available on front end. But if you do not tick this, then user can't be registered, and they will only see the website and not changeable. But in our today's video, in online shop we can add this option, because users will be added and they will create their products, or they can buy their products. Okay, new user default role will be subscriber. Leave this option as it is. All other things will be similar to this. Okay, now after this we will start building our website. Now, setting up the basic things in WordPress dashboard, we will convert this website to this website, which is a complete WooCommerce site. Okay, in dashboard, first of all, we will install a theme. I already told you what a theme is. It will change the design completely for this WordPress website. Okay, first of all, come to appearance, themes, and then click on add new and type for Ocean WP and press enter. Okay, here is the Ocean WP theme. Click on install now. After installation of the theme, click on activate, and let's see how it looks like on front end before changing anything. Okay, it's already changed. Now we will delete the 2021 theme because we do not want to load our website. Okay, this is just WP Ocean theme in our library now. After that, we will need some plugin basic required for our shop. So click on plugins and click on add new. And when you see this default option, begin installation, just dismiss this because we will install our own plugins. Now in the search bar, type Ocean WP, because the same theme have some plugin already installed, already built. So we will need these plugins for building our website with Ocean WP. Click on install now for Ocean Extra. Now Ocean Social Sharing, Ocean Product Sharing, and look for Ocean Sticky Header, custom sidebar, product sharing, stick anything. Wait for the plugins to install. The Ocean product sharing is the thing that if you open any product or page, for example, I'm opening this page, and you scroll down to the bottom of the product, then you can see that there are some buttons where you can share the product on any social platform. You can choose these platforms from the plugin settings, but this plugin is about that. So do not activate any theme right now. We will just install all the required themes and then we will activate them at once. Now search for Ocean Sticky Header, or let's type Ocean WP Sticky Header. Yes, here's the theme, plugin. Click on install now. What this plugin will do, when you open your website and scroll down to the bottom, then you can see that the header is sticky. Even if you are at the bottom of the page, you can still see your menu. So this plugin is to do that function. Now the most important plugin of all is Elementor. We will install the page builder, which is drag and drop page builder, and this website, some pages will be based on Elementor. So type Elementor here and press enter. Now first of all, install the main Elementor page builder, which is Elementor website builder by elementor.com. After installing the main Elementor page builder, also add these premium add-ons for Elementor. We will need these features because this plugin will add some extra functionality to Elementor in addition to its own free widgets. As we are using Elementor free and all these things are free, so that is why we will need some extra features by premium add-ons. Also look for live mesh add-ons for Elementor, which is this one. Install this one as well. And we will install Elements Kit as well, because some features are required by this website is within this Elements Kit plugin. Click on install now. And again, do not activate any of these plugins, because we will activate them gradually while building our website. Now the next plugin we will need is variation swatches. Let me tell you what variation swatches is. And press enter. If you come to any of your products, let me open products which have some variations like colors or sizes. So if you see that WooCommerce by default have a drop down menu for colors or any attributes, but in this website you can see that there are colors mentioned against each variation, and also the buttons for sizes. So these things are made by this plugin which is called variation swatches. So the right plugin for this is by Imran Ahmed. Click on install now. After installing these plugins, click on plugins and click on install plugins. So we can see all of them at one place, and as you can see, none of them are activated. All are just installed. So instead of activating them one by one, click on this plugin and all these will be selected, and then in bulk action, whether from here or from the bottom, click on activate and click on apply. So all these plugins will be activated. After activating the plugins, you will see that there are some notices showing here. So we will dismiss these notices before starting our website, starting building our website. Click on dismiss and come to plugins again. We will disable the Kismet because we do not need this, and remove these notices as well. Okay, now come to dashboard. We will set up some widgets on our dashboard. We will remove all these because none of these are required. Click on the screen option and remove all of them, and we will add later which plugins or which widgets we needed for this dashboard. Okay, now all our plugins are activated. What we need now is the most important plugin, which is WooCommerce, which will add the shop functionality to our website, and we will be able to build our online store using WooCommerce. So click on plugins, click on add new, and type WooCommerce here. Install WooCommerce, and WooCommerce is a quite heavy plugin, so it will take a couple of minutes. Okay, after installing, click on activate. After activating the WooCommerce plugin, it will automatically redirect you to the WC setup page, but if not, then I'll show you the URL how you can access it later. On the setup page, you can see that the URL is something like this: your website, then WP admin, then admin / question mark page is equal to WC admin, and path is equal to setup wizard. So this is how you can access it later, but I'll recommend while installing the WooCommerce plugin you make this setup. Okay, now you will give your address. Let me give a demo address, but I'll select country India because some of the payment gateways are not working in other countries, so India will be better. Let me choose Delhi. Or you can add any city, your email address, click on continue. No thanks. Now choose the category of your website. My website is related to fashion or apparel because these are the t-shirt website. So click on continue. Okay, we will sell physical products, not downloadable, not subscription, no membership, booking or bundles, but maybe customizable products, but we will leave all these options unchecked and just the physical products will be continue. Okay, click on continue. Now, how many products do you plan to display? I will plan to display 100 to 1000. And currently selling elsewhere? No, we are not currently selling any other place. But if you are selling on Amazon or eBay or any other website, then you can choose that platform. But in my case, I'll choose no. I'm setting up a store for a client or for myself, but I'm setting up this store for myself. I'll choose this option. If you are doing it for a client, you can choose this option. Click on continue. Continue. Okay, we already have this theme, so click on continue with my active theme. After setting up the WooCommerce, it will land on WooCommerce home dashboard. So there are some settings: add products, set up payments, set up taxes. I'll show all of them gradually, step by step. Now our first step will be adding a product. So click on product, add product manually. You can also import via CSV, but I'll do not show in this video because it will be a long process. So I'll show you how to add a product manually. There are several types of products. In this shop, we will add two types. One is simple product and one is variable product. What is simple product? Simple product is that which have just one variation. For example, a title and a single price, one image, and people can buy them directly. Variable products are have variation. For example, sizes, colors. If a user chooses a red color, then you will be notified that this user wants a particularly red color t-shirt or white color or black color, and the sizes as well. So first of all, let's add a simple product. Type in the product name, for example, my first t-shirt, and type some description, and let's add a category like men clothing. Parent will be no parent, but when we add a new category like t-shirt, then the parent category will be men because it will be included within this men category. Add new category. So you can see this is the parent-child relationship and both categories are selected. You can choose just t-shirt because it's already the child of men clothing, but I'll choose both of them. Okay, now here is the main part. You can choose the product data type, which is simple product, and then we will choose the price. Like for example, this shirt will be rupees 500, and sale price is when your shirt is a little bit lesser than the regular price. For example, the sale price is 450. Then there will be a sale tag. Like if you come to this website and open your home page, scroll down to the product section, and you can see that this particular product have a sale tag on this thumbnail. So which means that this product was 49 a regular price but is available for $5. So this is how the sale price works. Okay, now inventory means that you can manage your stock, whether you are delivering the product directly from your store. So you can choose this option, enable stock management, and how many quantity you have within your store. For example, if 5 persons added to cart this shirt and sixth one will try to add, then he will be notified that it is out of stock. But if you do not want to manage the stock, that is in that case, if you are drop shipping something, you are buying the t-shirts or your products from any other vendor, and they do not limit you to buy any quantity. So you can choose, you can uncheck this option, and your buyer can buy as many products as they want. Okay, the stock status will be in stock, or if you enable stock management and then choose any quantity, and then when the stock finishes, this will be automatically out of stock. But if you do not manage enable stock, then you can manually choose it's in stock or out of stock or on back orders. Back orders means if your shirt or your product is out of stock and someone try to buy, then they can buy this and they will be notified that whenever it came back into the stock again, then they can get that product. So we will choose in stock for this. Now shipping, we will discuss some shipping classes before adding this product. So let's leave this product here and let's come to WooCommerce and settings. Here, come to shipping. Here you can see that we do not have any shipping zones already done. So click on add shipping zone from here, or click on this button, and we will choose a shipping zone. We will first select India, and we will select the region all country, the whole country. So add shipping method, flat rate, add shipping method. Okay, in flat rate, click on edit. Here it's taxable. Cost will be 30, or let's say 20, but we will add this per quantity. For example, if your customer buy one shirt, then he will be charged $20, 20 rupees per shirt for the delivery. But if he adds more than one shirt, for example 5 shirts, then he will still be charged only 20. So for this problem, you can add this type 20 star, and then in the middle brackets type QTY, and then save changes. You can also see this, they already mentioned it here. For example 10 star QTY. Okay, click on save changes. Let's change it again. It was 20 star large bracket QTY, and save it. Okay, now we have India and the flat rate is 20 per piece. Okay, now we will add a shipping class. Come to shipping classes. Add shipping class. Class name will be t-shirts or clothing. Add a shipping class, remove, and click on save shipping classes. Now after adding the shipping class, we will come back to shipping zones again. Click on India, edit, and we will edit the flat rate again, and you will be able to see the different sizes, different options for flat rate, because we just added a shipping class. Now we will remove this quantity class from here and add it to here. If there is no shipping class, then it will automatically charge 20 rupees per quantity per t-shirt. And if there is a shipping class selected and it's clothing, then there will be a charges of, for example, 30 rupees. So click on save changes. Now open the add product page again, where we were on the shipping classes. Just save it, publish the product, and let's scroll down to the shipping classes again, and we will be able to see the shipping classes we can add. Scroll down to the shipping tab, and we can choose clothing or no shipping class. So no shipping class means that it will automatically charge 20 rupees, and if you choose clothing, then it will charge 30 rupees per t-shirt. Okay, now attributes. Attributes and variations are mostly used in the variable products, but here you can also choose attributes. For example, this t-shirt is available in different colors or sizes, but you cannot choose color or sizes in simple product. It will just show on the front end. For example, let's add a new attribute. When you add this attribute and type name and value, then this is called the local attribute. If you choose global attribute, then this can be added from this section, but that will be for variable products. I'll show you after this one. So type will be name will be color or available sizes, and the values must be separated by a pipe sign. For example, small, medium, large, and XL. Click on save attributes, and we already chose this option visible on the product page, which means that these options will be shown to the user. Okay, here is the short description. This is a t-shirt page or product page. This is just a sample product. I'll add more products with accurate data, but this is just how to add these products. Now you can set featured image. Click on set product image, click on upload, and let's add this picture. Set product image and click on update. Now if you open this product on front end, then this is how it looks like right now. We have the price, we have the image, we have a sidebar, the edition information, sizes available, small, extra large, small to extra large, and reviews and some additional information, and the short description is here. So this is now not very cool. We will change these settings afterward. Come to edit page. Now I'll show you how to add a variable product. On this page, you can see that you cannot select any color or any sizes for this product. So variable product have the ability to select sizes and colors. Instead of adding a new product, let me just change this product to variable product. So it will save a lot of time. Okay, SKU is a unique product identity. For example, I'll choose this t-shirt or this is the post ID for this product. So we will copy 15 and type it here. So this is unique ID for this t-shirt. Okay, in variable products, when you choose an attribute, for example available sizes, then you can add variation for that, but I'll not recommend this method. Just remove this attribute and open products attributes in new tab. Just add a global attribute and then you can use it on the product. Our first attribute will be color, type will be color. This thing is for swatches. In simple WooCommerce you will not find these two methods. These are for swatches. When you turn your color from drop down to swatches, then you can choose these options. Okay, add attribute, click on enable archives, click on add attribute, so color will be added. Now we will add size, also enable archive, and this will be button, because sizes will be in a button form, not on swatches, on colors. Click on add attribute. For color, configure terms, so we can add different colors available for all shop. Now for example, we have multiple colors for our shop, like black and white, red, green. Now we will edit all of them. Click on edit and choose the color. For the color swatches, here select green, update, go back to attribute. Let's add let's open all in new tabs. Click on edit for red, black, white, and choose colors for all of them. Black will be black. Click on update, red, update, white, update, okay. Now we have our colors. If you refresh, then each color have its own swatches. Okay, now go back to attribute. We will add terms for sizes now. Click on configure terms, add small, then add medium, large, press enter, and XL and double XL, whichever sizes you have. Okay, now that we have our attributes and its values, come to the products, edit product page like this one, and refresh it. It is the same product which we were building before adding attributes. Now scroll down to the product data section, and in attributes remove the available sizes, which was the local attributes. You can see color and sizes. These are the global attributes. Now click on color and add, and then click on size and add. Now you cannot type anything here, or you cannot change the name, because these are the global attributes from this section. So it automatically grabbed the name from that attribute. Click on this, and for this particular product, which colors do you have on your site? For example, I have black and white, and I have only medium and large size. So these two sizes are available. Click on save attributes and change the product from simple to variable. Now open attributes and choose this option, used for variations. Used for variations, click on save attributes. Now if you come to variations, then you can add all these variations. Like you have two variations, two colors and two sizes. So 2 multiplied by 2, there will be 4 total variation. Choose this option and click create variations from all available attributes. Click on go, and it will automatically generate 4 different types of variations with the combination of small black, large black, then small white and large white, like this. Okay, now we will we can define each product's prices at differently, but you can change the image as well. You can change SKU for each of them, or you can use the same SKU, the main SKU, as all these variations. Okay, now we will add different images, but first let's just add price. As this is t-shirt and color and size will not affect the price, we will add same price. For example, 450 for each, which was 450 was the sale price and 500 was the regular price for each of them. So this will be considered as sale product. First let's just add prices 500 and 450. Choose prices for all of them. Otherwise this particular variation will be gone out of stock. Okay, now we will choose images. We will choose two different images, one for black. So these two will have same black color t-shirt, and these two will have white color t-shirt. Now let's edit this black and large again and choose the image. Click on upload and choose black image. Let's upload both of them, and we will choose just black for this particular variation. Click on this. Now black medium will also be black image, and white large will be white. Similarly, white medium will be white as well. Okay, click on save changes for variations, and then click on update product. Now if you open this product on the front end and refresh it, then you can see that there are some color swatches added. The default image, which was the main image for this product, is this one, but if you choose color black and choose large size, then this image will be changed to this. White image will be this. So similarly, white medium and white large will be white, black medium and black large will be black. So this is how the variable products work. Okay, this was how you can add simple and variable products. Now I'll add some more products to set up shop page and other pages. I'll stop this video and add them in the background, so it will save a lot of time. Okay, now I added approximately 46 products and all are simple products. Let me choose some products as featured products and some prices for a sale batch. So let me add, for example, these products as featured. Featured products is a new field, a separate field where these products can stand out from the crowd. For example, these products, and let's bulk edit, apply, and here is a featured field. Click on yes for all of these selected products. Now I'll change some prices to sale price. You can choose each of them separately, but I'll do it in bulk because this is not a real website. You can edit website and then choose sale price and the regular price separately. Okay, but let me add for single products. For example, this one, these have same prices, $9, 9 rupees. So let me add them. Actually the prices were in dollars, but I added this in rupees. Okay, let me bulk edit and choose these two prices. The price will be no change, but sale price will be 5, for example. So these products will have the sale batch. Okay, all these categories are selected as men clothing. So I'll choose the men t-shirt, the t-shirt category as well. So choose all and click bulk edit and choose the category t-shirt and men clothing. So both these categories will be chosen for all the selected products. Okay, after updating these products, we will come back to the pages section. After doing the regular WooCommerce setup, it may already add these default pages, but if these pages are not there, the default pages are cart, checkout, shop, and my account. So if these pages are not available in the pages section, then let me show you how you can add them in future if you missed the automated process from WooCommerce. So for this process, you can see they are already there, but if you are adding them after you set up the WooCommerce, then click on WooCommerce and click on status. On the status page, click on tools. Okay, on the tools page, there are a lot of tools available, but what you will have to do for adding default pages is this section, which says create default WooCommerce pages, and click on this button, create pages. I already have them in my pages section, that is why I'm not doing this. But if if you do not have them accidentally, then you can add them in future by clicking on this button. Okay, after this we will do some general settings. We should have this done before adding the products, but let's add them now. Click on WooCommerce and then settings. First of all, in general, there is an address which was already in the automated process. It's done. But in selling locations, sell to all countries is not recommended. I'll choose India, sell to specific countries. So if you start typing here, then you can see the suggestion here. Click on India, or if you are also selling to another country like USA or United States, you can choose it, but I'll stick to India right now. Okay, shipping locations, sell to countries you sell, so you can ship all the countries, and yes, recommended because you chose India, and you can sell it to India, you can ship it to India. Default customer location, shop base address. Okay, enable taxes. If your country allow you to add GST or VAT or taxes, then you can enable this option, and you can set up the tax rate for each product or for the whole shop. Enable coupons. Coupons means if your product is available for let's say $500, and you are giving your customer a coupon. For example, you are giving the coupon for 10%, and if they apply that coupon on that product, then the price will automatically be dropped from 500 to 460, which means it will be 20%. If you build a 10% coupon, then it will be it will be 450, 495. Okay, so currency option, it will be Indian rupees because we are selling in India. The currency position left, separator will be comma, decimal separator will be point, number will be 2. You can change these settings if you want, but I'll leave them as default. Okay, now come to the product section. Let's save this section first. When you click on products, you can set up all the default pages. For example, we added the pages like shop, cart, checkout, and my account. Then this is the place where you can add these pages to your WooCommerce shop. For shop page, we have the shop page from our pages section, which means that in this pages section you have this shop page, and whenever user open a shop, then all the default products will be opened in this page. So this page must be selected here. Now scroll down, leave everything as it is, click on save changes. Now come to shipping. We already added a shipping class and shipping methods and a shipping zone as well. So this was already discussed. We will move to the payments. Now the payments is a thing that your customer, how your customer pay you when they buy a product from you. By default, we have three different types of payments: direct bank transfer, check payments, and cash on delivery. But we want to add PayPal and Stripe, because Stripe have more than enough payment methods like credit, debit cards, all types of credit cards like Visa, MasterCard, Alipay, and Apple Pay. So for these things, we will add custom plugins. Click on plugins, click on add new. Now in the search bar, type PayPal, press enter, and WooCommerce already have the payment option for PayPal. Click on install now. There are two types of payment gateways for PayPal. One is PayPal payments and one is PayPal checkout payment. So we will use this one for now because this is simpler, and you can also use this one. PayPal also have the credit and debit card options, but we normally use this for PayPal main account. Okay, after this, let it install and search for Stripe, because we are adding the Stripe also, and look for the Stripe plugin which is produced by WebToffee. So scroll down and search for WebToffee, this one. Click on install now. Okay, now come to plugins, install plugins. We already installed these two, Stripe and PayPal Gateway. So PayPal Gateway was by default within WooCommerce, but now they changed and you have to separately install these two plugins for WooCommerce. So come to plugins, click on these two, and in bulk action click on activate and apply it. After activating these plugins, come to WooCommerce setting again. In the payment section, open the refresh the page, and you will be able to see all these payment gateways by PayPal and Stripe. So enable PayPal, and I'll enable cash on delivery as well. If you want to enable check payments, then you can also enable it. Connect to PayPal. You have to click on connect to PayPal to get your API credentials. To test WooCommerce, you can use sandbox. So I'll use sandbox mode. Or let's just use PayPal checkout method. Let's come to the plugins, click on add new, and search for PayPal for WooCommerce, PayPal checkout for WooCommerce, and scroll down and choose PayPal checkout. Install it and activate it. And let's deactivate this extension because we do not need this one. Scroll down to the PayPal plugin, which was this one. Click on deactivate. Okay, now we have this WooCommerce checkout gateway. Now come to your WooCommerce settings page, click on payments tab, and now you can choose PayPal checkout, which is already selected. Okay, now we will add credit and debit card, which is offered by Stripe. Click this and click on save changes. But for Stripe checkout, we will need to set up an API key, which is mentioned in a new tab, a new page, which is WebToffee Stripe. But let's first adjust the PayPal checkout method. Click on manage. Here click on enable PayPal checkout and then type in your API username, API password, API signature. These things can be grabbed from the PayPal account. Click here to open your PayPal account. I'll open it in a new tab, or just open PayPal. .com and open it. Then use the credentials, the API credentials, and grab it there. Let me log in first. In your PayPal account, click on developer and scroll down to the place where it says PayPal credentials, API credentials. Accept payments, make payments, getting started, a sandbox account, and click on get started, get API credentials, and click on login to PayPal dashboard. It will allow you to use a sandbox mode or live mode, both if you want. Okay, now here you can ask for your API credentials, generate sandbox access token, or first create an app, but we will generate sandbox and then we will choose our sandbox account and generate credentials. Now we can use these credentials. I'll not show them in this video, but we can copy them and use them there. The live API username, live API password, and the signature. Then click on save changes. Your PayPal API will be set up. Now let's set up the Stripe API. Come to payments again and click on this web topic Stripe. Here you will need the API publisher key and secret from the Stripe account. Open your Stripe account, login, and it will automatically give you these credentials on the home page, or you can search for these credentials and use it there. Then enable it and click on save changes. After saving these changes, you can come back to WooCommerce settings page. Okay, now click on accounts and privacy. Here you will allow your customers to log in or create an account while they are in the checkout process. For example, if they did not fill the form but they already have an account, so they can be logged in via checkout page directly without leaving the checkout page. So click on allow customers to log in to an existing account during the checkout, and allow customers to create an account during the checkout even if they do not have any account on your website already. Allow customer to create an account on my account page. Okay, and click on save changes. Now let's see if all the default pages are selected. Click on advanced. We already chose the shop page on the products tab, but all the other pages like cart page, checkout page, my account page, these can be selected using this page. Terms and condition page, we did not build this, so we will choose the privacy page, which is already in our list, and click on save changes. Okay, now after all these basic settings, let's start creating the home page. Let's come to your front end and open your home page, which will not be as we want. So if you see the demo website I showed you earlier, then this is a lot better, and we will build this with Elementor. So first of all, let's build a new page. Come to pages, click on add new. First of all, WP Ocean have default functions like you can hide the title, or you can set the page as full width. So first content layout will be full width, and then come to title and disable the title. Now we will give this a name, home page or just home, and then click on publish. After publishing this page, we will come back to the WordPress setup, WordPress dashboard, and we will choose this page as our site's home page. Click on settings, click on reading. Now here you can see your latest posts are selected as your home page display. So we will select this a static page and choose your home as your home page. We will set the blog page later, but for now let me show you how you can set up the home page. Okay, if you refresh the home page now, then you will see a blank page because we do not have any contents on that page. So come to pages again and click edit home page or edit in a new tab. Now click on edit with Elementor. In the Elementor editor, let's add our first row, new section, and it will be a full width. Now as you can see on our hero section, we have two sections. One is this text and buttons, and the second one is this image. So we will also need a new element called inner section. Drag it here, and here we will add text, and in this section we will add the image. But first let's add the image background for this whole section. Click on these 6 dots for the whole section. Click on style, normal background, and click on choose image. Upload your background file and click on insert medium. Okay, for this row click on layout. Layout will be full width and the section will be stretched just like this main site. Now click here and drag a heading. We will add colors later. Okay, now in this heading copy this text, men's t-shirts, and paste it here. Now come to the size, choose color as white, and in typography let's choose Poppins or Roboto, and make size 89, or let's say okay, 89 is good. Now for this section click on advanced and margin, first unlink the margin, and margin right will be minus 100. Add a minus here. Sorry, not margins, just cut it. The padding will be minus 100. Okay, let's see, it's not going out, so click on this section and add padding to the right, minus 100. Not working. Okay, the padding is not working, so we will remove this section and let's add it from scratch. Add 2-column layout. Now let's add a background similar to what we did last time. Add background image. Now add a title here. Let's choose the size first so we can test the padding. Advanced. Not margins. Not padding. Okay, let's forget about these things. Let's add the title. First, let's stretch the layout to full width and stretch the section. Now add some padding to the section and choose the size of this column like this, and let's add the text from shirts, men's shirt, and increase the size. Okay, now in this one add an image. Let's add a background image. You can choose a transparent image so your background is visible behind this image. Click on insert media. Now let's add a spacer. Click on add and search for spacer, or you have this spacer right here, and let's add 240 or 340. Now click on this section again, style, set position to center and repeat, no repeat, size default, okay. Let's choose this text and color will be white. Now we will copy this summer collection and add a new title here, paste the summer collection title here. Now let's come to style, and in typography select CA caveat and choose the correct size, then change color. Now as you can see, we have two buttons which are in two separate columns. So here in the elements, let's grab inner sections here. Now click this button and grab this button here. Let's add a title, shop now. Shop now, and make it center. In style, choose color transparent. This is transparency and this is the color. You can choose any color from here, but if you make it transparent, then there will be no color visible here. Okay, now we will add a border. In the border, click solid and give it a width of 2 and make the border radius 0. Okay, so shop now button is ready. Now we will duplicate this button and grab it to the next section, and we will name it as discover now. Discover now. Let's redirect the shop now to the shop page /shop, and this cover will be to another page, and we will add a color to background color to this button similar to this one. If you want to see what color is here, then right click here and click on inspect element, and you can see the background color F222, F2222. Okay, we can use this color here, and make opacity 100. The border is none, so let's just choose border as none. Okay, let's align this to left and align this to right, so these buttons are nearby to each other. Okay, and let's reduce the width of the first one so they look like this. Now let's try to overlap this text on this image. So let's first increase the size of this text to 113 maybe, and let's choose this background, custom size or cover, or let's make it a custom size, which is 100. Let's add it in px. Okay, this size is enough, and click on this pencil, click on advanced, unlink all these margins, and margin right, let's down minus to maybe minus 150 will work. Not working. Okay, it's minus 224. Let's add it some more to 30, and now we will make this text above this image. So on this text, scroll down, and in z index increase value. Maybe 1 will also work, but let's make it 9. Okay, let's adjust the size, the typography, and this is maybe this is enough. Okay. Now this section is completed. Let's add some margin top and bottom, or padding to the top and bottom. So first unlink the padding, because we gave left and right 24 margins, which is enough. Let's increase the margins to 50 maybe to the top and 50 to the bottom. Now let's minimize this sidebar, and let's see how it looks like on desktop. So this is how it looks on desktop. Let's make this image more like this. Okay, let's move this image to the right, to the left. Okay, margin left to this, or if you can choose this column, this one. So if you cannot choose this column, then right click here and open the navigator. In the first section, inner section, column, next column. Okay, this one. No, this is not the column, this is the column. Okay, here in advanced, margin left, minus, and let's add minus 160 and see if it's working. Yes, it's okay now. Okay, now minimize the navigator. We will keep it here because we must need this. Okay, now this section is completed on desktop. Let's check this section on mobile and tablet, because this website must be responsive. So click on this responsive mode and choose tablet and mobile, and you can see that how bad this page looks on mobile phone and tablet. So first of all, let's set up for mobile phone. When you click on mobile, then you will be noticing that this mobile icon, these margins will only work for mobile. If you change this to 0 again, then this will not affect the desktop version. If you come back desktop, then it is still minus 160, but if you come to mobile, then it is 0. So now we are editing the mobile version. Click on this text, and for typography, choose the right size, which may be 43. 43 is good. The second one, also choose typography, minimize the size to where it looks right. Click here, alignment left on mobile, or you can make it in the middle. Similarly, this one also. Let's check the desktop, and it looks right. Okay, so we are only editing the mobile version. Okay, now for this column, click on this column, and let's hide this on mobile phone. So in advanced, for this column, in advanced, click on responsive and hide on mobile. Okay, now come to tablet. It needs some changes on tablet as well. Click on this column, and in advanced, decrease the margins, unlink it, to 0, and for this choose the size, maybe this size better. Similarly, this one, typography, reduce the size. And now the buttons. The buttons layout cannot be changed for mobile and desktop. That is why we will come to desktop and increase like this, and then let's check on tablet. Still not good. Let's increase it more, and also click here in advanced, Z index, increase Z index because it's behind the image, and it will overlap it. Okay, now let's check on tablet. Still not good. Let's just increase it more, furthermore up to here. Now it's better. Okay, it's good now for tablet and for mobile as well. Now let's check and come to the next section, which is featured categories. So these are 4 different categories which I want to show on my home page. But first, let's add this title. Add a new row, a new section with full width column. Now choose title or heading. So grab this title. Now let's centerize this. Now this title have 2 parts. If you come to contents, then you can see that one is without brackets and one is within brackets. So the one within brackets will apply different style, and without brackets will apply the different style, and the line color is also changeable. So first let's add featured and within brackets categories. Now come to style and title. For title we will choose the same red color here. Let's click on inspect element, copy this color. Let's keep this color code somewhere safe, F2222. So let's type here #F2222 and we have this color. Okay, this is the wrong one. It must be black. The featured or the focus title color must be #F2222 and the line color as well, separator, and choose the separator color #F2222. Okay, I accidentally opened this one. Choose this off, and now we will add the categories. Let's come to the elements, drag inner sections here, because we will need 4 categories. In this section we have 4 different categories, so in the inner section just duplicate it, or let's just first add our first category. Search for banner, premium banner by premium add-ons. Click here, drag it. Now let's add the image you want to show for this particular category. For example, we will use this same color of, and let's choose it from our gallery. Now let's change the effect. First of all, let's copy or duplicate this banner, so we have 4 columns and we can know how it looks like within this size. Okay, click here. First of all, you can change effects, but we will stick to the effect 1. We have a lot of effects here. Okay, now always hovered, which means text will be always visible. Okay, hover effect will be zoom in. When you hover, the image will slightly zoomed in. Okay, now content, let's remove the content and just leave the text, the title, and align the text to the center. Okay, now we have the right effect. Now let's change the color of the text, style, title, and change the color to white so it's visible. Now copy this and paste effect on all of them, and duplicate and remove the extra column. Copy and paste style. Let's do this one more time. Delete all of them. And copy this one. Paste it so they have the same effect. Okay, now let's link this first one to the shop. First let's change the title to shop. or let's see what was our title. Men's t-shirt. Men's t-shirts. Now choose another image for this one, which is shorts. I'll show you how to make this effect like the red background, but that is in CSS, so I'll do this later. Okay, now for this, change content to shorts, and for this one let's choose a sleeveless and custom print. This one is sleeveless and this one is custom print. Okay, now you can also change the typography of this title by going to style, click on title, set typography to Poppins and make it bigger. Okay, here, so click on update. Do this for all these three: style, title, typography. Okay, changed all of them. Now let's change images. This one is this image. Let's style, content, and choose the right image. Now for this, let's see what image. Okay, the green one. And finally, the last image would be this red shirt. So click here, click on contents and choose that red sleeve shirt. Okay, these are done. Now let me tell you how you can add background to this title. So first of all, open your home page, refresh it to see how the changes looks like till now. Okay, scroll down to the title, right click, click on inspect element and see what class did it have. Okay, this is the class. Copy this class. I'll tell you how to add the specific class for this. Click on customize. Now scroll down to the section and scroll down to the sidebar as well. Choose custom CSS or JS. If you are using old version of the of WordPress, then it must say additional CSS, but now they added JS also, so it called custom CSS and JS. So the CSS code copy which we copied the classes, paste it here and add curly brackets. Now choose background color and type #F2222 and we are done. But as you can see that all these other are not changed while it's a class. So let's see which is the unique class. So let's remove the unique class, this one, and it will be applied on all of them. Click on publish and let's this tab be opened. So whenever we need to add a CSS, then we will open this tab. Okay, now come to the home page again and refresh the Elementor editor, so these changes take effect on this page as well. Now the next thing is you must check the responsiveness of this section as well. We already did this for the hero section, so now we will check for this. But first let's add some padding top and bottom to the whole section because it looks so much near to the first section. In advanced, click on margin top and bottom and add up to 30 margins for top and bottom as well. Okay, now let's click on responsiveness and look at the tablet and mobile phone. On the cell phone it looks pretty much better, it looks great, but for tablet we must reduce the number of columns in one row to 2, because on desktop we have 4 columns here, but on the tablet we must add only 2 columns to one row. So click on this column, and in the layout add the 50% size width similar to this one. Add the second one as well, the third one, and the fourth one. And as you can see that this is for tablet only. If you come to mobile, then it is still 100%. On desktop it is 25%, and on tablet it's 50%. So the responsiveness is also done for this section. Now let's move to the next section. Next section is our partners and the logos. Scroll here. Now let's add a new section. Let's reduce the first column, and in the second column first add the title, and it's our partners. In the layout, vertical align middle, and change the text color to black. Sorry, it's background, so remove this. Black. And the column, choose the column. In style, border, unlink, and add the right border 2 and make it solid black, so it looks like this. Only right border will be added. Okay, in the next column, search for carousel. Add the image carousel to this section and click on add images. Upload media files and use the same size logo. I have these 4 logos which have the same size of 200 by 100. After uploading all these images, click on create new gallery and click on insert gallery, and here you can see this slider. Okay, image size must be full, and image stretch no. Scroll slide forward, slide to show 3. In image carousel, remove the navigation, none. Or let's just leave the dots or arrows. Okay, the slider is running. Additional option, autoplay yes, pause on hover yes, or let's just add it no. When you hover it, it will never pause, and reduce the time to 3000. Which means after 3 seconds it will start scrolling. Let's add it to 2, and let's refresh the page, update it, and on front end let's refresh it. Okay, scroll down to the section, and the logos are working. So let's move this or partners to the right. In content, right. Okay, let's check it on mobile phone. Our partners, it's working. The slider is also working. And the tablet, it's 2 slides per tab, and desktop, it's okay. Now let's move to the next section, which is interesting products. This is the multiple tabs option, which is recent products, sale products, and featured products. So we already chose some featured products on our site and sale products as well. So this section will be quite easy. Come to Elementor section. First of all, copy this title or just duplicate this whole section and remove this row. Scroll down to the bottom of this and change this title to top interesting. Top and interesting. Now we will add tabs, so these tabs can be performed. Open Elements, search for tabs, okay, this simple tab, drag it here. Okay, this is not the one we want, so remove it and type tab, not tabs. From eKit, this tab is from eKit, so grab it here. First of all, let's center these buttons. Nav items, make it center. Now in the content area, let's remove the other two and change the first one to featured, which is featured products. Featured products. Now we will have to add the short code for the products in this section. Let's hide the icon. So open new tab and search for WooCommerce short codes. Press enter and open the first link from Google search. Now here search for featured products shortcode, which is mentioned on this page, featured products here. Let's copy and Control F and look for featured products whole section. Products, this one, products and visibility featured. Copy this and add it to this content area. Remove the contents and change the visual to text and then paste that shortcode here. Click on update. Let's check it on front end if all the featured products are listing here. Open the home page, refresh it. Okay, featured products, but no products listed here. Let's change the limit to 8 and column to 4. So 4 columns and 8 products only. Update. Now let's hide these things, the category and the add to cart from this listing. So in customize, come to WooCommerce. This is the customize page. Remember I showed you how to change CSS. So in customize on WooCommerce archive page, let's scroll down to the product section, refresh it first so you can see the products, the featured products. Scroll down to the featured section and in customize, click on WooCommerce archive and scroll down to the elements positioning. Okay, leave image, hide category, so hide rating, hide description, add to cart button, and we will only see the price and the title for each product in this section. Okay, good enough. Click on publish and come back to the Elementor editor again. We already updated this page, so refresh the Elementor editor as well, so we can see the changes from the customize here in the Elementor editor. Now this section is done. Add a new tab, click here and scroll down to the tab section, copy this tab and edit it. Instead of featured products, let's type recent products. So let's change it to recent products, and the featured products, the recent products will be product, limit and visibility, publish. Or let's move the visibility. Okay, recent products will be all products which are added recently, because we removed the featured option from this one. Okay, copy the same. Now what we need is sale product. So open the shortcode again and let's see on sale true. So copy this shortcode and use it on the third slider or the third sale product or on sale products. Remove the product keyword and add that shortcode. First change it to text and then add this shortcode. Limit will be 8, columns will be 4, popularity and quick sale. Okay, so on sale will have only those products which have the sale banner, and these two are not. Okay, now let's change the colors of this navigation. Style, nav items, change this color to #FF2222, and similarly this color as well, #FF2222. Border, remove border, and now we can see same as this one. Change typography. Let's add Roboto font or Poppins. Increase the size and change the weight if you want. Margins right, bottom. Change padding right and left, so they are close to each other. Now click on update and we are done with this section. Let's check it on mobile and tablet. It is the pre-built template, that is why it must be completely fine. But on tablet we must show 2 products, and on mobile it's already 1 product per line. So let's see how to change on tablet. Okay, as this is a shortcode, so we will leave this right now. Let's move to the desktop version again, and let's move forward to the next option, which is these 3 boxes. So for this we will need 3 sections. Let's add a new row and with 3 sections. Now as you can see, here we have 2 columns. In each column we have 2 inner columns. So come here and grab this inner section items and get it here. Let's keep the ratio 25/74. Now add an icon, type icon here, grab this icon to this section and search for delivery or vehicle, no, truck. Okay, add a truck here, insert it. Now style will be stacked. And choose the background color from style. Background color will be white and the icon color must be black. Okay, now let's add the whole section background color, which is this one. Right click here, inspect element and choose the color, which is this one. Copy it and go to style for this section, background overlay, background, and in the color paste it. Okay, now here first add a title, which is free shipping. Copy free shipping, add it here. Let's add color white, but first let's choose the icon size, which may be about this much. Okay, now add a text editor here. Choose style, add color white. Okay, now choose this column and in align vertical choose middle so it looks exactly like this. Now copy this duplicate this column and remove other two. And we have 3 columns now. Now change icon for this one. It is credit card item icon, so change it to credit card, and this one to what is this called, USPS, the UPS delivery. Type USPS. Okay, now copy these contents, accept all payments. Similarly, fast delivery. Okay, now the font size, let's reduce the font size, which better suits all the needs. Copy this and paste style here and paste style here as well. Okay, now the background color for this, let's copy the background color from this section, copy and use it here in style, background, paste it. Now similarly this one, copy color of this, right click, copy, and inner column, style, paste. Okay, we have these 3 boxes ready now. Click on update. Let's check it. Refresh the home page. Okay, it's better, but let's add some padding to all these sections. So click on this inner section, click on advanced, padding little bit, 13 is enough, similar to this one. Add padding to the next one as well, and the last one, advanced, 13. Okay, click on update and let's check. It's good now. Okay, now let's move to the next section, which is the blog section or the news section. Copy the title first. Let's duplicate this section and remove these things, drag it below the boxes and type our news or news. After changing the title, let's add the blog below this title. Now for blogs, you can see that we have some blogs in the original page which we want to replicate, but here in our site we did not add any posts in the post section because these blogs are coming from posts. So first of all, we will add some blogs here. I'll show you how to add blogs and how to add blog categories. So first of all, click on posts, add new. Now for blog, we will add our first blog. This is a news title, or from wherever you want to grab the news. Let's say we are grabbing news from News India. Let's open the Hindustan Times and we will add a new post from here. Let's say we are opening this first news, or let's say about studies. Okay, let's copy the title of this post, copy, add it here, then let's copy the image, the thumbnail. It is not a good quality image, so let's add image somewhere else, but let's copy the contents, copy and paste it here, and let's add an image. Let's add this image as a sample image for this. Okay, click on publish. Now click on the settings and click on post, scroll down and categories. We do not have any category, just uncategorize, so uncheck this and click on add new category, which will be news or News India. Just add new category, it will already be chosen. You can also add some tags like common news space, local news, etc. And the featured image will be the same image we chose as image gallery. Set featured image and click on update. Now we have one blog post here. Let's come to the Elementor editor. Now in elements, click here, type post grid and or just post. Choose this post grid, grab it here, and you can see we have our posts available. Okay, now we will remove this menu and this title. So in settings, heading, remove heading, and filterable, remove filterable, so we will not have these filters anymore. Okay, now content, You can choose the image size here. Let's extend this. Display post title, yes. Display taxonomy, no. Display post title portfolio item, no. Post excerpt and summary, no. We will choose as minimal as possible. Okay, post title must be shown. Okay, now click on update. Now let me add some more news, and I'll import them in the background by pausing this video, and I'll be back so it not waste time. Okay, in the background I added about 20 news, so we can set up this section. Now refresh the Elementor. Okay, now scroll down to the section, the news section. Click on this element. Post type is post. You can add any other custom post type. For example, you can add pages, you can add WordPress products, WooCommerce products, but we will stick to the post because this section is purely for news. Okay, post per page 6. We have 6 news. You can increase it to 8 or 9, and the grid skin will be classic skin, custom skin. You can change the skin. Okay, we will stick to the classic skin. In settings, let's see if we can change some option. Thumbnail. Okay, everything looks fine. Now let's see. Now the only thing remaining is the footer, which is the common website thing. So the home page is done now. Let's publish it and let's check how it looks like. Open the front page, refresh from there. Now this is the page which we just built, a slider or hero section, featured categories, then our partners, then interesting products recently added and on sale products, then this color boxes, and then finally the news. Okay, now that your home page is done, we will now build some other pages regarding WooCommerce. So first of all, let's add a tracking page where your customers can track their orders. So click on pages, click on add new, and also open the WooCommerce shortcodes page and scroll up where all the basic shortcodes are mentioned. Copy this shortcode which says WooCommerce orders tracking. Copy that, and in the add new page, let's type track orders, and in the blocks add a shortcode. Type shortcode, add the shortcode block, and paste that shortcode here. Let's change the layout to full width and click on publish. After publishing, click on view page so you can check how it looks like. So this is your WooCommerce tracking code. Whenever a customer buys something and then they open this page, enter their email address or billing email or order ID, then they can track their order easily. So this was the order tracking page. Now we do not have the blog page. So open your WordPress dashboard, click on pages, add new. In the title, type blog and leave it as default. Click on publish. But after publishing, if you see this page, then there will be no contents, just the main area and the sidebar. So how we can add blog post to here? Open your dashboard and click on settings, reading. Here I told you earlier that I'll set post page later, so that is how we can set the blog page. Select blog page here and click on save changes. Now when you open the blog page and refresh it, it will show all the blogs listed here. Now if we come to our already built site and click on blogs, then you'll see that this blog page is a lot better than our current one. So I'll tell you how to fix that. We can make this design for our this site, because we did not have the menu yet. If you can see, we do not have the menu, and the blog page is also not that good. So let's do these some changes. Now starting from the menus, if you come to the main site, then you can see that there is one menu on the top, one main menu, and there are two menus in the footer for customers and quick links. So let's just build 4 menus for the current site. So come to dashboard, on appearance, under appearance click on menu, and let's create our main menu first. Click on create. Now you can add all your basic pages. Click on view all for pages, your home, blog, shop page, and if you want you can add my account page as well. So add them to menu. Now we will add 2 drop down menus for shop, which are men's clothing and t-shirt clothing, which are categories. So click here. You can see that we have a product categories tab here, but if you do not see this, then click on this screen option and tick on product categories here, so you can see them in the menu. So click on product categories and add both of these items to the menu, and we will make them child to the shop. Drag the shop under home and click on save menu. Now if we refresh the page, then if the menu do not appear, then we forgot to choose the location for this menu. So open the menu page again, and at the bottom you can see there are 4 different options. You can choose main menu, you can choose multiple things, because you can show this menu in footer and in header as well, or you can choose all of them, so it will be appeared in all places, but this particular menu can be we will show it in the main menu. So click on save. Now if you come to your front end and refresh the page, then this menu will appear here. Okay, I'll also show you how to manage colors and fonts for this menu, but first let's just add all menus. Okay, now click on create a new menu and build a top bar. Type top bar and click on create. Okay, now let's see which pages we have on top bar. My account, login. Login is also the my account page, but just for not logged in users. Track orders, which page we just added, orders, wish list, logout. Okay, come to the menus and add track order, my account, checkout, cart, and add them to menu. Login, register, orders. Order is the endpoints. So orders, logout, these are the endpoints. Track order is my account. Click on save menu, but first let's add it to top bar. Let's see if it appears. Okay, this menu also appears. Now let's check what are the two more things. These are for customers. These are all endpoints, and quick links, all pages, available pages. So open menu, create a new menu, type for customers, which is footer 1 menu. Click on create. Now let's add all endpoints here. Add to menu and choose the location footer. Save. Or we can just untick the footer because we are using the footer widgets for the bottom menus. Okay, now click on create a new menu. So we can have the quick links here. Name it. You can name it anything. We can change the title at the footer widget, but this is just for reference, so you can remember which menu to place where. Okay, now we will add all our pages. Click on save menu. This menu is also for footer widget, so we do not tick anything. Okay, now the next thing we have to do is the sidebars for shop. If you open a shop page, then on the main side there are some filters, and then the best selling products, and then some categories. So this looks perfect, but if we come to our site, then on the shop page there is nothing special in the sidebar. So we have to fix this. There are just search, recent posts, and something like this. Okay, come to the dashboard and click on appearance and widgets. Now here you will see a widget, a separate widget for WooCommerce pages like shop page or single page. So scroll down to the WooCommerce sidebar area, which is already on top. So let's add it. First of all, let's add search, and we will add product search here because this is the WooCommerce page. We will search only products. Now we will add filters. Product filter by price, which is a slider, the lower price and upper price, so we can choose which products to be shown and which price range to be shown. So we will choose price filter. Let's save it, update, and let's check how it looks like on the front end. Okay, we have search product and the price filter. Don't worry about the colors, I'll show you how to fix the colors later. Okay, now we will add another filter by this black and white filter by color and filter by size. So come here and add more filters. Click on add, filter by attributes. So first attribute will be filter by color, attribute color list, and add another one, filter by attribute, and type the name filter by size. Choose the attribute as size, and now we will choose best selling products. So come here and add a new widget, products. Choose this one, product list, and type the name best selling or recent products or top products. Number of products to be shown 5 order by date, hide free products, show hidden products. Okay, now we will add categories. Product category list. Okay, click on update and let's see, it's added now. Filter by size, filter by color. You can choose any color or any size and all the products will be listed. For example, we have large size one product, black and white one product. Because all other products are simple product, we only have one variable product which have all these filters, but price is for all products. So when you choose price filter and click on filter, then the products will be filtered exactly to the price range. So currently you can see there are 4 pages of products, but if you decrease the range, like this product is 34 and we choose 30, if you click on filter, then this product will definitely disappear. Okay, only the 30 range products will be appeared. Similarly, black and white, if you click on black, then only that product will appear which have this black product. But let's remove the price filter first, because maybe the price filter have that one product. Let's increase the price range and then click on filter. Now click on black and you will have one product which have these black and white filters. Now the next sidebar we have to manage is a blog sidebar or the default sidebar of the website. So if you come to the blog page, then you can see that there are some basic things, search, recent posts, recent comments, etc. So if you open our main site and click on blog, then you can see that there is a beautiful recent post widget and the follow us and a search bar. So what we will do, we will come to our widget section and scroll down to the default sidebar and remove each block one by one. Okay, now we have the default sidebar empty. Let's add a search, but this time we will add normal search, not product search, because blog can search pages and post everything. Let's add another one, which is recent post or latest post. Let's add this one. Give it a title, recent post already, and let's increase the number to 5. Order by date, and then finally add the follow us, the social sharing button. Social icons, or choose this one, social icon. Follow us, color style light. Okay, click on update and let's check on the blog page. And you can see we have all these options now, but there is no button because we did not give any of our social links. So you must have in this social link, in this social widget, you must have the URLs from Twitter, Facebook, or any other social platform you have. Right now I'll give a hash for every social media link, so it can be showed up on the widget. YouTube, RSS, Okay, that's enough. Let's update and refresh the page, and the buttons are there, but each button have the link as hash. So you can add your own links, so your visitors can click there and they can follow you on your social media platform. Now let's add the email and phone number to the top bar like this. So on your site, click on customize, refresh the customize page so you can see the already built menu. Now click on widgets, or the top bar. Here choose content and type here your email address, then the pipe sign and the phone number. Okay, now as you can see that there are some icons here, phone and the envelope for email. So these things can be added using Font Awesome. If you know the Font Awesome codes, then it's good, but you can open the Font Awesome website. If you don't, type I, class will be FAS, then fa, envelope, and close the I. So you can see that envelope is there. Now for phone number, type I, class FAS, FA, phone, and close the I and make it a space between phone and icon. So we got there. Click on publish. Now let's add the logo. In the customize, go back and click on this logo, or choose general option. If no logo, then click on site identity. No. Social sharing. Search for headers. Yes, header. Then choose logo. Select logo and upload your logo file. Let's say we are using this logo. You can skip cropping, but let's crop it so it shows the full logo. And now we will adjust the header size. Let's resize the logo to 98 or whichever size is better. Now about the colors, we are using this red color, which is hash #FF2222. So click on, in customize, click on general option, general styling. Okay, there are two colors, hover primary and primary color. So for both of them, let's add this and to this as well, hash #FF2222. So now you can see our two colors are in place. Click on publish. Now open the blog page using customizer, and let's see how we can fix this blog page to this style. So on the blog page customizer, go back and again and choose blog. So it's blog entries. The content layout is okay. You can choose grids, or you can choose thumbnails, whichever you want. but I'll prefer this thumbnail, so it looks exactly like this. Okay, now let's do some more things, like this search bar is appearing below the menu. We want to replace it the menu like our original website. You can see when you click on search, then the menu is replaced with a search bar. Then if you close it, then the menu appears again. So in the customize, go back to the main page, general option, and click on general settings. Scroll down to the search result page, search bar, custom search post, pages. Let's find the search, general styling. First of all, let's just change the source to products. If you want to only search this thing for products, click on publish. Now let's change the layout. So back to the general setting and main, then click on menus. Main menu. Header, then menu, scroll down, and in search icon drop down to header replace. And now when you click on this search icon, it will replace the whole header, the menu area, into a search field. Now publish it, and let's increase the shopping cart size. Go back, and in WooCommerce menu cart, increase the size of the icon where you can see it perfectly fine. Now adjust the placement, vertically placement. Okay, it's fine now. Click on publish. Now let's build our footer. So come to the widget section again, scroll down, and you can see footer 1, 2, 3 and 4. So first of all, we will add some text just like this one to the footer area, and our logo or any image. So come to widgets, open footer 1, add image first, and you can choose it from media library or you can upload your own image. Let's choose our logo, which we chose for the main, and then add another widget like a paragraph and paste your text here. Okay, now scroll down, let's align it to the center and this as well. Okay, in the footer 2 we will have the for customers menu. So we already gave this menu a name, type navigation or menu, navigation menu, and choose the menu which you want to select for customer, and type in the title for customers. This is the title which will be shown to the users. In footer 3 we will have quick links. So add navigation menu again, and type in the name first. Let's choose quick links. Quick links. Now footer 4. What is footer 4? This is the contact info. So come to widgets, footer 4, and add a new widget contact info, and add your related contact. For example, I'll removing this text, then I'll give it address, phone, mobile, email. Let's remove the website and Skype. So click on update. Now open your front end and refresh the page. Scroll down and you can see but it's black. It's completely black. Let's fix this. Now for changing the text and the background colors, open the customizer. Let's refresh it so we can see the updated footer here. Scroll down to the bottom, and now in the menu, in the customize menu, scroll down to the footer widgets, and there are two types of color, actually three colors: background, text hover, and border color. Link color will be the same, or if we are choosing white color as a background, then we will also change the link color to this red. Okay, background color, let's make it white. Text color will be darker. Links color will also be FF22222. Or let's just make this black as well, because it do not look good. Okay, the title colors, link hover color, which will be now title colors needs to be black. So if we do not have any option in the customizer, then let's just publish it and we will add them the style menu. Click on inspect element for the title, and here copy the selector and open CSS and custom CSS, custom JS, paste that code here, and now let's add the color to titles. Color #00000000, and you can see it's now darker. Let's make it more bold. So font weight is 700, maybe 800. Okay, 800 is good. Click on publish. Now let's check on the front end. Okay, our footer looks good. Now let's add another option, which is on the shop page. If you come to shop page, then we must have a wish list. For example, if you come to the demo website, then you can see there is a add to wish list button, and even on a single page you can see this wish list button, and add to cart button is also rounded. So for this we will need a new plugin. Let's come to plugins, click on add new. In the search bar type wishlist, press enter. Install this one, template invaders. It's by template invaders. Click on install now. Activate the plugin and come to your products page or shop page. Let's see if it's already applied. Click on refresh. Okay, wishlist, add to wishlist is now present, but let's add this style, the red background and white text, so it doesn't look that bad. Okay, in the customizer, custom CSS, open shop page, so you can see the wishlist button. Okay, now copy the style, the CSS selector for this. Right click on add to wish list and copy this, paste it here, remove this star or and change it to A. Choose background color, let's say hash FF 2222222. Okay, it's changed. Now change the color to white. Okay, hover color is not changing, so let's copy this selector, paste it again, remove the background color. Don't worry, it will already be there because we have the main color like this. Okay, A and hover remain the same. It will be hash FFF and it's done. Now let's add some padding to the left and right. Padding, let's add 5 padding and check if it's good. No, we will add 5 to the sidebars and 2 to the top and bottom. So 5 2px, sorry, it reversed. Now replace 2 with 5 and 5 with 2, so it looks a little bit better, but let's increase this 5 to 8 and it's much better. Okay, click on publish. Now open a single page and let's see how the wishlist styling is there. Okay, wishlist is there. Now let's change the add to cart border styling. Go back to customizer, open WooCommerce and check add to cart style or WooCommerce advanced styling. Scroll down to add to cart, add to cart border style, look for product entry, add to cart. Yes, here it is. Okay, double, add to cart border size 1 and border radius 50 px, 1 px. Let's publish it and let's check. Solid. Let's open a single page. Okay, search for another option which is called single product add to cart button. Let's search for single product add to cart button. Single product, product navigation, single product add to cart button. Okay, here it is. Click on solid. Border size will be 1 px and border radius will be 50 px. And now you can see that this is a rounded button. Click on publish. Okay, now the last thing we have to do is to make the single product page a full width, because we do not need this sidebar on this single page. So in customize, go back to the main and WooCommerce, it will be single product and we will choose full width for our single product. But the shop page will remain the same, as it needs filters and these suggested products, but the single page will be full width. Click on publish and let's check if it take effect. Okay, the single page looks fine, and let's check the shop page now. Click on shop or any category. The shop and category page will be the same layout because it's called archive. If you open any category page, then it will also look the same. Okay, now we have a complete website. So if you have any question, then you can ask in the comment section. Also, please subscribe to my channel and you will get notified for all future videos like this. Thank you.